Okay, this is electric power steering, rack and pinion. This is the old belt. This is the new belt. And it's going to be pretty crowded in there, so I'm probably not going to show you putting it on. But that's where it goes. This is the tensioner. It's got a number 25 Torx bit screw that holds this on. And we'll have to disconnect the outer tie rod end. And you can find another good video to show how to do that. And that's it. Okay, here's a picture of the steering box apart. See if we can get some light on it. Okay, there's an idler. The idler is adjusted by a Torx T27 screw. So you'll need that, and you need a 5mm Allen to get the case cover off, and of course typical tools that you'd use to take the inner tie rod out in order to get it, because you can't get the belt over the cover. You can pull the cover off and examine the belt, see that for sure you've got a broken belt, but you can't get that belt over that cover. So you got to pull the inner tie rod end off. That's one fault. We'll see if we can clear it. Alright, let's see if we can clear the DTC. Let's look at this guy. He cleared it. See if it'll stay cleared. Let's look at live data. So, how do we know if we got a broken belt? Well, we'll look at the live data. Or dead data, it's not running. Steering shaft torque sensor 2. That's pretty cool. I don't know if that'll change. I guess it changes if I turn the steering wheel, so that if it changes, then that means good alignment offset. I'm not sure what that is. Hopefully we don't need it. 0 miles an hour. Let's see if we can find the motor current. Supply voltage is 11.9. The car's been sitting for a while. Power steering. Alright, motor current, here we go. That's what we want. Right now it's saying 0 to 100 milliamps. That's probably just kind of a oversensitive reading. Let's start the truck up and see what it does. If we've got a broken belt, then we will have no power steering. But we will have motor current when I turn the wheel left and when I turn the wheel right. Left I got current, right I got current, and if I let go of it we have 300 mA. Probably if I was going down the street it might center and just shut down, but I'm not going down the street, it's kind of sitting sitting here. That's a guess. So anyway, this tells me that our power steering controller is good, regardless of what they said at that place where they have all the equipment to diagnose it. They said it was shorted. Well, if it was shorted then, it's sure not shorted now. It's actually functioning. And since I replaced the belt, you can see there's current on the motor. Before I replaced the belt, there was current on the motor when I turned the wheel left and right. And you could also see the steering wheel torque. And you could see the steering wheel angle. So it was communicating with everything. But there was no power steering. So basically, that pretty much indicates that that little belt is broken. Now, we can send a report of this. And if I wanted to show you my phone number, I could text it to myself or send an email, which I don't want to do, but we'll just save this. And there you have it.